Well, Bill, the company has a 155 million market cap Canadian approximately today. What do you say to potential investors listening, maybe even to existing shareholders at this point? Is the company a short here, or is it just a rounding error?
Here again, I think that the uranium market is so, in terms of the equities, is so, maybe inelastic's the word, I'm not sure, but things happen so quickly. The moves are compounded due to the fact that, in the gold market, you've got 2,000 companies to choose from. In the uranium market, really, if you're looking for producers or potential producers, likely producers, you've got very few. So, I think the risk reward has to be on, short term, who knows, may go up, may go down. Anybody that's looking at uranium for the uranium cycle, in terms of being a serious investment, I don't think you'd want to be short any of the names. I think you'd stand a pretty good chance of having your head ripped off. But, are there trades? Sure. Even at Energy Metals, when we pretty much hit the peak of every, thing that you could do in the market in terms of first to finance, first to this, first to that. It was a perfect storm for the market and ourselves at that point. But even then, we had some disastrous days. Nobody likes to remember those or even thinks about them. But we went to 17 or 18 bucks a share from 17 cents, I think, or 20 cents, and it wasn't straight up. There were some certainly trades on the downside where people could have made some money. So I'm not going to tell you that there won't be those here along for the uranium equities, ourselves included, but everybody else too. But unless you're a short-term trading expert, that's a pretty risky business to be in. I think, for the true investor and not the trader, you've got to trade the cycle. And, uranium cycles are not too often when they come around. We've been waiting patiently, maybe not so patiently, but waiting quietly for 10 years. And when you get one coming, they last longer than a day or two. They last a series of years. I think this one's going to last a lot longer than the last one. It just set up better and more fundamentally sound, I believe. Maybe not quite as spectacular on the high side. We may not see $150 spot. In fact, I don't think we will, but I think we'll see a lot longer longevity, a lot better longevity to this cycle. So if you're investing in the cycle, you've got to pick your players, and I'm sure people will trade in and out. But if you're in the uranium cycle, you've got to be in it, and you've got to stay in it, I think, because your opportunities for readjustment are generally pretty slim.